Mad Dog Magger cooking in the kingdom. So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to kill a couple birds with maybe one stone. Hopefully that's the intent. So there's a lot of mystery out there on how to create a smoker, should I buy a smoker, this and that. Stop buying smokers. Make your own smoker. Party with the beer that you brought. If all you got's a Weber, that's what you roll with. Roll with the Weber. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go, I'm going to show you guys how to set things up so you can cook more efficiently without spending a whole bunch of money. It's cheap, it's easy, and it works.
Alright, this is it. This is to show you how absolutely easy it is. Stop going out there and spending all this money on expensive smokers. Make your own smoker, because the only thing you're looking for is smoke, not expensive smoke. So here we have a burner, a single burner. This thing costs like $12 on Amazon. And then over here we have a cast iron plate. You can use whatever you want. You can use a cast iron plate, a pot, whatever. And then back here we got some wood chips. So this is how easy it is. Everything's frozen because it's 5 degrees outside, proving also that you can actually cook when it's freezing outside. I'll take this, and then we're just going to take the little burner here, and we put it inside the grill, just like so. I'll take and I'll time lapse this to show you how long that it takes. It should really only take about 15 minutes. Notice also that the wood chips are dry. When you use them when they're wet, when you soak them, you're just creating moisture. You're looking for smoke, you're not looking for steam. So I'm going to time lapse this and we'll be back to you in a few. Okay, so I lied. I was going to time lapse this, but clearly you can see it's been about 15 seconds and we're already starting to get a little bit of smoke. Let's get a close up. You can see it up in the edges there. This thing's going to be smoldering in a matter of minutes. Now see the temperature is outside right now as we're smoking. 17.2 Fahrenheit. Oh, wait. Yep. 2 minutes into it, we're already starting to get smoke. Here's another thing. Unlike all these fancy contraptions that you have, I'm not sure how you guys are adjusting how much smoke output you guys get. But here, the only thing you have to do is you can make adjustments like this on the little knob. Turn it to high, medium, whatever. Then you're adjusting how much your little wood chips burn. Less than 5 minutes into it, we're already getting smoke. Let's take a look, friends, on what it looks like on the inside. Smoke. All from a single little burner. Stop buying expensive stuff. So we're going to sit and we're going to smoke us some thighs. You're probably saying to yourself, those are some gigantic thighs. Well, you'd be right. They're turkey thighs. They're not chicken thighs. That's why they're so big. Let's smoke them up. A single little burner, and we got all this smoke. It's a little difficult to see here because of the light, but we got really clean white and bluish smoke. Perfect for barbecuing, right? Open her up on the inside. How's our stuff look? Let's take a look here. Beautiful. Pretty. Look at these little grill marks we're getting. And just to show everybody, we're just putting a little bit of a final sear on the turkey and some duck fat, using a little bit of thyme, salt, and pepper. That's all you need. So we're going to take and pull these turkey thighs off, and we're going to serve them up. Look how pretty that looks.